SBG is 100% pure young barley grass na walang halo, walang fillers, chemicals, or kahit anong preservatives. It is 100% organic, FDA certified, kaya you can be sure that it's very, very safe. SBG has been in the market since 2014, kaya proven and tested na by hundreds of thousands of users. At bukod sa napakarami ng natulungan, marami na rin itong naging awards. It has already attained the super brand status and was recently awarded as the #1 organic food supplement by Legacy Awards in 2023. Ano bang meron kay Salveo? Bakit napakarami na nitong natulungan? Ang SBG ay hindi isang gamot. Pero paano ito nakakatulong sa health? Kadalasan kasi kaya tayo nagkakasakit dahil sa dalawang reasons na to. Number 1, kulang tayo sa nutrisyon. Dahil napakahilig natin sa fast food, processed food, mga pagkaing instant na punong-puno ng preservatives kaya hindi na natin nakukuha yung nutrients that our body needs para mag-function ng maayos ang ating katawan. Number 2, dahil punong-puno tayo ng toxins sa ating katawan that we have accumulated over the years from the food that we eat, products that we use, and from the pollution sa ating environment. So, ang ginagawa ng Salveo Barley Grass ay pinupunan niya yung mga kakulangan na nutrisyon sa ating katawan. It is a nutritional powerhouse that contains vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and enzymes na tumutulong upang ma-repair ang mga damaged cells sa ating katawan. Complete ito sa vitamins kagaya ng vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin B complex including folic acid. Unlike synthetic vitamins or synthetic minerals na mga isolated at ginawa lamang sa laboratorio, ang SBG ay tinatawag na superfood. It is 100% natural, no overdose, and no side effect. Para ka lang kumain ng maraming gulay at prutas na pinatuyo, dinurog, at ginawang powder. Kaya nga kahit mga babies as early as 6 months and kahit mga bata or pregnant women, pwedeng-pwede sa Salveo Barley Grass. Yung mga kids ko nga, ito na yung vitamins nila. Salveo lang.
Salveo! Because it's healthy. It's good for your body.
Meron din itong minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, selenium na very alkalizing. Kaya when you drink SBG, mararamdaman mo talaga na punong-puno ka ng energy. That's why I call it my natural energy drink. And alam mo ba that most diseases like cancer ay hindi nagsusurvive sa isang alkaline environment? Punong-puno ng minerals ang SBG, kaya gagawin niya ang katawan mong less acidic at more alkaline kaya mas nape-prevent mo ang mga sakit. Meron din itong powerful antioxidants kagaya ng superoxide dismutase and P4D1 na tumutulong para malabanan ang mga free radicals na nakukuha natin from unhealthy lifestyle, lack of sleep, stress, and other environmental factors. At kapag kulang ka sa antioxidants, humihina ang immune system mo at mas mabilis kang tumatanda. So, SBG will help improve your skin and it will delay the aging process. SBG is also a powerful detoxifier. Everyday nga naliligo tayo, di ba? Pero ang tanong, kailan ka last naglinis ng loob ng katawan mo? Salveo Barley Grass has chlorophyll na tinuturing na powerful detoxifying agent for liver and intestines. Tumutulong din ito para tanggalin ang mga bad cholesterol, so SBG is good for the heart. In fact, yung mom ko, dati meron siyang problem sa heart. Lagi siyang merong mga palpitations, lagi siyang napapagod. But ever since she started taking Salveo Barley Grass 9 years ago, never na siyang bumalik sa doktor. Ngayon, at age 63, she is very healthy, wala siyang maintenance, Salveo lang. Ang kinagandahan sa SBG, holistic ang kanyang approach. Kaya overall health ang ini-improve nito. Kaya kung meron ka pang ibang mga nararamdaman, kasama niya itong malulunasan. So unlike synthetic medicines, na ang tinitreat lang ay mga symptoms or kadalasan ay temporary relief lang ang binibigay, ang SBG helps address the root cause of the problem. But disclaimer, SBG is not a cure-all formula. It is a whole food supplement that will provide the nutrition your body needs, thereby increasing your body's natural healing ability. Ang Solveo Barley Grass, makakatulong siya sa overall health. Pero if you want complete healing, syempre kailangan may improvement sa ating lifestyle. We should choose better food. If possible, go natural, go organic. Iwas na tayo sa sugar, vegetable oil, sa mga processed food, at sa lahat ng mga pagkain na napakaraming chemicals and preservatives. Plus, syempre, get sunlight, get enough sleep, and huwag ka magpapastress. Dapat lagi kang positive, and syempre, take Solveo Barley Grass every day. Health is wealth. Ang kalusugan daw ay yaman ng tao. Pero yun nga, most of us, we are abusing or taking our health for granted. Noong nagkaroon ng pandemic, no one anticipated that something like this will happen. And just like that, our health was suddenly put under scrutiny. Healthy ba ako? Malakas ba yung immune system ko? Kasi sino ba yung mga unang tinamaan? Di ba yung mga compromise yung health? Ngayon, normal na ulit. Unti-unti na nga nating nakakalimutan yung horrors brought about by the pandemic. But if there's one thing that pandemic reminded us all, is that health is the most important thing in the world. Na if you lose your health, you lose everything. Ang hirap magkasakit kasi kapag may nagkakasakit nga sa family, parang kahit itaya mo yung buong yaman mo, 'di ba? Para lang mapagaling yung mahal natin sa buhay. Kadalasan nga kapag may nagkakasakit, nauubos yung yaman, yung savings, nabebenta yung properties. Paano kung wala kang savings? Kaya karamihan nababaon sa utang. Paano kung ang breadwinner na nagkasakit? Paano kung may family na umaasa sa'yo? So if you love your family, you should take care of your health. Because the best gift you can give your family is a healthy you. Don't wait until it's too late. Choose healthy. Choose Solveo.